Good afternoon, my dear students. I am Dr. Deepak More, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Sanjani Mahavidyalaya, Chapoli. Today, we are going to study about Unit number 3, Basic Clauses, Part number 2nd. The remaining part is as follows. Point number 4th, complement. Point number 4, complement. Uh, this complement is divided into two parts. Number one, subject complement, and second one, object complement. Subject complement. The complement of the intransitive verb always describes the subject and is therefore called the subject complement. Listen carefully. I will repeat this sentence. The complement of the intransitive verb always describes the subject and is therefore called the subject complement. Subject see, verb is, and subject complement angry. She is angry. When we took an example of she is angry, she is the subject, is verb, and angry is subject complement. Subject, verb, subject complements. List of. I am giving various examples. He was an actor. He is subject, was is verb, and actor is subject complement. The red rose looks beautiful. The red rose is subject, looks is verb, and beautiful is subject complement. The reason is this. The reason is subject, is verb, and this subject complement. The child looks ill. The child is subject, looks verb, and ill subject complement. She was away. She subject, was verb, away subject complement. My student became famous. My student is subject. My student became is verb and famous is subject complement. My mother is a good painter. My mother is subject, is verb, a good painter is subject complement. Then second one, second point number second, object complement. In English, some verbs are followed by an object and an object complement. Object and object complement refer to the same person or thing. However, they are not identical. For example, we have named the baby Pritish. We is subject, have named is verb, the baby is object, and Pritish is object complement. In this sentence, the baby is the object and Pritish is object complement. The baby and Pritish refer to same person. The people made John secretary. For example, another example, the people made John secretary. The people is subject, made is verb, John is object, and secretary is object complement. John is the object of the verb made, but if you say the people made John, the sense is incomplete. In addition to John, we need another word to complete the sense. The word secretary, which completes the meaning of the sentence, is called an object complement. There are some examples of object complement. That is, we choose Satish our leader. We is subject, choose is verb, Satish is object, and uh, our leader is object complement. Then the black girl kept her lover waiting. The black girl is subject, kept is verb, her lover is object, and waiting is object complement. The police found him guilty. The police is subject, found is verb, and him is object, and guilty is object complement. The noise drove him mad. The noise is subject, drove is verb, him is object, and mad is object complement. म्हणजेच वाक्यातील क्रियापदाला अर्थपूर्ण करण्यासाठी काही शब्दांची आवश्यकता असते. त्यांना कॉम्प्लिमेंट असे म्हणतात. साधारणपणे टू बीच्या सर्व क्रियापदानंतर कॉम्प्लिमेंट येते. तसेच बिकेम, टर्न आउट, ग्रो, लुक अशा प्रकारच्या क्रियापदांतर कॉम्प्लिमेंट येते. फॉर इन्स्टन्स, The police arrested the theft. The police is subject, arrested is verb, and the theft is object. या वाक्याचे पॅसिव्ह वॉइसमध्ये करता येते, जसे द थेफ्ट वॉज अरेस्टेड बाय द पोलीस. परंतु खालील वाक्य पहा. ही बिकेम अ थेफ्ट. ही इज सब्जेक्ट, बिकेम इज वर्ब, अँड अ थेफ्ट इज सब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लिमेंट. या वाक्याचे पॅसिव्ह वॉइस रूपांतर करता येत नाही, कारण थेफ्ट हे कॉम्प्लिमेंट आहे. जर ते केले तर चुकीचे होते, जसे अ थेफ्ट वॉज बिकम बाय हिम. म्हणून कॉम्प्लिमेंट ओळखण्यासाठी ही पद्धत वापरावी. पॅसिव्ह वॉइसमध्ये जर रूपांतर होत असेल तर ते ऑब्जेक्ट म्हणून ओळखावे, व तसे रूपांतर होत नसेल तर ते कॉम्प्लिमेंट म्हणून ओळखावे. सब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लिमेंट हे वाक्यातील कर्त्याविषयी संबंधित असते. ही बिकम अ रॉबर. ही इज सब्जेक्ट, बिकम इज वर्ब, अँड अ रॉबर इज सब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लिमेंट. द केस made the lawyer famous. The case is subject, made is verb, the lawyer is object, and famous is object complement. ऑब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लिमेंट जर वाक्यात असेल तर त्या वाक्यात ऑब्जेक्ट हे असणारच, व ते नेहमी ऑब्जेक्ट नंतर येते. पॉईंट नंबर 5, ॲडजंक्ट. Adjuncts are normally optional elements in a clause structure. They are adverbials which modify the verb. While an adjunct is optional in the sentence, a complement is obligatory. In other words, an adjunct can be omitted, but a complement cannot. An adverb or an adverb phrase, a prepositional phrase, or a noun phrase function as the adjunct. For example, he sleep well. He is subject, slept is verb, and well adjunct. Ram walked there very quickly. Ram is subject, walked is verb, there is adjunct, and very quickly is adjunct adverb. He slept because he took a sleeping pill. He is a subject, slept is a verb, because he took a sleeping pill indicates adjunct clause. Then she walked to the market after lunch. She is subject, walked is verb, to the market after lunch indicates adjunct prepositional phrase. Pramod walked 5 miles that morning. Pramod is subject, walked is verb, 5 miles is adjunct, and that morning is adjunct adverbial. In English, there are 7 basic clause types. Then, point number 6, clause types. In English, there are 7 basic clause types. The basic sentences types are statements. They all consist of subject and predicate. For example, he works hard. He is subject, works hard is predicate. On the basis of the functions of phrases, noun phrase, verb phrase, adjective phrase, adverbial phrases occurring in a clause structure of the following types may be recognized. In this lecture or in this various slides, I provide various examples for your preparation, for your better study. There are number of examples are enlisted here. I will provide you for 1 minute each. There are 77 examples. You can take these examples in your notebook. You can do practice again and again. You read these examples again and again, and you must understand. You may understand basic clause types. These examples are as follows. These are examples. You can take these examples. You read these examples again and again. Page number 1. See here or listen carefully. If you want to take these notes, I will send on SMC group of our institution. Then next page, that is examples. These examples are starting from here. Example number 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. up to 15. Then page number 2, example. This page starts from example number 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 2 up to 31. That is page number 128. It indicates 128. The next page, this page 129, page number 129, it starts from example number 32 to 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 and 45. Then page number 130, 130, and this page starts from example number 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60 and 61. Then page number 131. This page, on this page, example starts from 62, 63, 64 and it ends up to 77. There are 77 examples for your best preparation. You can take these examples on your notebook. You can skip this slide and write down these examples in your notebook and you do practice again and again. Thank you very much.